everybody! We're doing this for Matt today. As you can see right now we have the current Colorado state. So right now this is not what we're going to look at. We are looking at potentially changing that to something like this. Maybe not with the American flag on it, but that's a bonus. So as you can see right now, it's looking pretty clean. We're taking a model based off of my old Pennsylvania units. We're changing it for Colorado. As you can see, we have quite a bit here. Not too much though. We're only using 48 liveries, even with the flag, which is actually kind of awesome. Alright, so we're going to go up here first. First thing you got to do, you got to take this strip here. Let's click on it. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. There you go. Now take that strip. You're going to make it. Oh, come on now. 4-3 F or 4F 3A 00. That's the color for the gold. Black is just 00000. Then you're going to take a nice little square. You're going to make it into a rectangle. Then after that, you're going to hide the corners with the color matching the car. So whatever color your car is, which mine just happens to be 404040, you're going to take a square and you're going to match it up and you're going to cut off the corners. And you're going to try to do your best to make it the same exact angle on the next side. Then, if you really want to do the American flag, nice little square here, then focus on your actual squares. Then you've got words for the stars. All you got to do is put 5 and you're good. It'll look like you put 50 there. And we're going to look over there on this side. Did the same thing for the stripe. Not too hard. For the Ford, I always put it under the tail light and at the very bottom of the headlight for the FPIU. Makes it line up nicely with the front door's handlebar. Again, with the Colorado, and everything that you see that is gold here is going to be that 4F30 or 3A00. 4F3A00. Blue is not 4F3A. Blue doesn't really matter. You can make it whatever darkness because American flags aren't particular. Then we got State Trooper on the back. It's 2 different words. So it has a nice balance around the Ford emblem. And E409, that is how the state does it. Emergency 409. State Trooper. Yep, I jumped up. Go back down. My unit number, my actual unit number. State Trooper. Colorado. I do have Interceptor on here because mine is actually based off of an FPIU, which the FPIUs were Interceptors built specifically by Ford. Instead of saying Explorer or whatnot, they actually said Interceptor. At least the Pennsylvania ones did. If yours didn't, I don't know what to tell you. Then State Trooper. Kind of small, but that's because the badge was smaller than normal. We use the star because that's what a roleplay group is using. I integrated the circle into it because that's what my old cars used to have. And then we integrated it onto the top. We made CST similar to that of the Dodges. We integrated it into the new star pattern just to make it a little cleaner. And then at that point we just also added CST into the middle. And then the final one, we were done. So yeah, that's pretty much how we built that one. Took about 15 minutes once I got into the hang of setting up skins like this. Once you've made your first one, it's really easy. All you have to do is just copy and paste it onto the new cars, integrate it so that it looks cleaner with the car, because every car is different, so you do have to tweak it a little bit, but it's mostly along the lines of size of the livery and the angle of attack that your livery is going.